Hi everyone, welcome back to our English enrichment lesson for grade 1 with teacher Rick. So today we're going to see some places with water where animals live in the water. But first, just a quick review from last lesson. Okay, remember we saw some places where animals live and some places with many trees. So let's just go through those places again. Okay, so first we saw the forest. So forest is a place with many trees. So let's just have a look at the word and practice the word, okay? Repeat after me. Forest. Good. One more time. Forest. Okay, very good. Another place we saw is the jungle. The jungle. So remember, jungle is a forest, but it's very hot and very wet with a lot of rain. Okay? And there are many trees, many different animals that live in the jungle. So let's have a look at the word one more time and practice the word. Repeat after me. Jungle. Good. One more time. Jungle. Okay, very good. Well done. We saw another place called meadow. So in the meadows, you don't have many trees. You have a lot of grass, green grass, and just 1 or 2 trees. Let's have a look at the word and practice the word. Repeat after me. Meadow. Good. One more time. Meadow. Okay, very good. Another place with some trees, not many trees, but some trees, is the savannah. Savannah. Remember, I told you that savannah exists mainly in Africa. So it's where you have the lions, elephants, giraffes. So the savannah, sometimes it's wet and you have rain. Sometimes it's dry, no rain. You have some trees, but not many. Okay, just some trees. Let's have a look at the word and practice the word. Repeat after me. Savannah. Good. One more time. Savannah. That's it. Very good. We saw another place where you have some trees, but you also have a lot of water. Remember? So these places we call wetlands. Wetlands. Remember the word wet when you have a lot of water? So this place is called wetland or wetlands. And you have animals that like to live on land and in the water, like for example the frog or monitor lizard. Let's have a look at the word and practice the word. Repeat after me. Wetland. Very good. One more time. Wetland. Okay, that's it. Very good. Then we saw another place, remember, very hot with a lot of sand where camels live, and it's called the desert. Desert. So here you have little water, just no rain, no trees, but some animals can live there. For example, the camels, some snakes, spiders, lizards. So now let's have a look at the word. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Desert. Good. One more time. Desert. Well done. Very good. And the last place we saw with a lot of ice and snow. Remember, you have two in the north and in the south. You have the North Pole and the South Pole. So in the North Pole, you have polar bears. They love the ice and to swim and hunt in the water. And in the South Pole, you have the penguins. So we call these regions polar regions. Polar region. So let's have a look at the words and repeat after me. Let's practice. Polar. Good. Polar region. Okay, very good. Or you can just say North Pole, North Pole, and South Pole, South Pole. So you have a lot of animals that live in these places. And as I told you today, we're going to see some places with water, a lot of water. And you also have animals that live there, like fish, shark, crabs, whales, turtles. So animals that live below the water. Below water, okay? So we're going to see some of these places. We're going to start with river. River. So let's have a look at the word. How do you spell it? R-I-V-E-R. River. So now let's practice the word. Repeat after me. River. Good. One more time. River. Okay, very good. So the river sometimes starts in the mountains, and then you have water, and the river grows and goes to the sea. So we call this a river. For example, in Bangkok, you have a big river, the Chao Praya. Okay, so that's a river. And you can go on a boat. Okay. Now let's have a look at another place. So where you have a lot of water, sometimes you have rivers that start or end there. And this place is called a lake. Lake. Okay, you have a lot of water surrounded by land. Okay, so let's have a look at the word. How do you spell it? L-A-K-E. Lake. Now let's practice. Repeat after me. Lake. Good. One more time. Lake. Okay, that's it. Very good. And now we're going to see the place where you have a lot of water. It's just water. So we can call it the sea. Sea. How do we write sea? S-E-A. Sea. Okay? This looks very similar to see. Okay, I see. But remember, I see is S-E-E. I see you. To see with your eyes. This is S-E-A. The sound is the same. See. So it's where you have a lot of water. So when you go to the beach, you can see the sea and you can swim in the sea. Let's just practice the word. It's very easy. Repeat after me. Sea. Good. One more time. This is too easy. Sea. Okay, very good. So when you go to the beach, you have the sea. Okay, so let's just practice this word too. So the beach is where you go, you have the sand, and then the sea. You can go there just to play, to have fun, to have a good time. Okay, so let's have a look at the word. How do we write it? B-E-A-C-H. Beach. Now repeat after me. Beach. Okay, good. One more time. Beach. That's it. Very good. So at the beach, you have the sea, where you can swim, or you can go fishing to get some fish for dinner. Now, another word for sea is ocean. Ocean. You already know this word, remember, from the song, the oceans are wide. So the ocean is the same thing as the sea. You can call it sea or ocean. Same, okay? Same thing. So let's just have a look at this word again. You already know it. So O-C-E-A-N. Ocean. Now let's practice the word. Repeat after me. Ocean. Good. One more time. Ocean. Very good. So remember the song says, and the oceans are wide, because they are very large, very wide, with a lot of water. Okay? Now we're going to see two more places, okay? One is where you have, it's a place in the sea, in the ocean, where you have a lot of fish. And you have corals. So coral is, it looks like a plant, but it's an animal. And you have a lot of fish and crab and sharks living where you have coral. Okay? And this place, we call it coral reef. Coral reef. So you have two words here. Okay, let's have a look. So coral, C-O-R-A-L, coral. And then we have reef, R-E-E-F, reef. So now let's practice these words. Repeat after me. Coral. Good. One more time. Coral. Very good. And then reef. Good. Just one more time. Reef. Okay. Very good. Well done. So now the two words together. coral reef. Coral reef. Okay, very good. Well done. So remember, the coral reef is a special place in the sea. Usually it's near the beach because you don't have a lot of water. You have only a little bit of water. So it's near the beach. Okay? And you have a lot of fish and animals that live in the coral reef. Turtles, they also like the coral reefs, okay? And we're going to see just one more word. So this one is when you have land in the middle of the sea, the ocean. Okay, so you have land and then water all around. So we call this an island. Island. Okay, so it's like, for example, Phuket. It's an island. Koh Samui, island. Koh Chang, island. Koh Samet, island. Okay, so when you have land surrounded by water in the middle of the ocean. Let's have a look at the word. How do we write it? I-S-L-A-N-D. Island. So now let's practice the word. Repeat after me. Island. Good. One more time. Island. That's it. Very good. Pay attention here. You have an S there, but you don't say it, okay? That S is silent. It's not Iceland, okay? No. That S is there, but you don't say it. It's silent. So you say island, island, an island. Okay, very good. So that's all for today. Let's just have a quick review of the words we learned today. So we saw river, river, lake, lake, sea, sea, ocean, ocean, beach, beach, coral reef, coral reef, and island, island. Okay, so these are places with a lot of water where you have a lot of animals that live there too. So in the next few lessons, we're going to learn more about some animals. Okay, we've seen where they live, in the forest, in the jungle, in the savannah, then the animals that live in water, rivers, ocean, coral reef. So in the next few weeks, we're going to learn a little bit more about these animals. Okay? For your homework, you have a worksheet. Okay, you have a worksheet and you have some of these new words that we've learned today. Okay, you have some pictures and you have the words. You have to match the words to the right pictures. And then in the other section, you have to write the words yourselves, okay? So you will have the picture, you're going to see how do you write that word, and then you just write the word, okay? Don't forget, after you finish your homework, ask your parents to take a picture and send it to me so I can check your homework. And that's all for today. Have fun, do your homework, and we will see each other again next week with another video. Bye bye.